Hello, my name is Oscar, and this is the presentation video for my capstone project, my CSS and HTML capstone project for Microverse. Okay, so for this project, we were actually asked to create a conference page based on this guideline. And so uh, they actually told us we could change the design to fit maybe a concert page or any kind of public event page. So instead of this original design, I decided to go with an art exhibit page. So the art genre I decided to go with was net art, which is a very beautiful form of art. It's not very well known, but it's very beautiful because it uses computer glitches and computer bugs, and it turns them into art. So it's pretty cool. I came in contact with it back when I was like 14 years old, and I've sort of gotten into it on and off throughout the years. So computer glitches are actually a recurrent theme in net art. So I decided to go with a glitch effect for the logo. And the way I achieved this was by fixing a background image and making it scrollable as the user scrolls through the screen. And you can actually see this in the CSS. I actually created this style, which makes the background of the image fixed. This is the background image I used. And also I added a stroke. This works with WebKit, so it should be visible with most browsers. This is the main page. It's completely responsive. You can actually see this here. This is the mobile version. I used Bootstrap to make all the elements on the page responsive. You can actually access the navigation bar through this button here. I decided to put it on the right side of the screen because most people are right-handed. So that's a design choice I made there. Um, For the main program section, the background is actually a collage I made myself from an error message I got on Friday from Stack Overflow. So while I was working on this project, I actually tried to find some solutions on Stack Overflow, and I got this message on Friday. So I noticed this error message design here, and I thought it was really beautiful. So I just took it and I created this collage and I added it to my page here. So as you can see, this is actual net art in the very design of the page. For the guest artist section, I did my homework and I researched some actual net artists. So if you click on the names of these artists, you will actually this will actually take you to the Wikipedia page in case you want to learn more about net art. And so I did this to keep the project fun and to give it maybe a more realistic feel. For the sponsors, I did something similar. I actually looked up museums and associations or places who have hosted or sponsored net art in the past. So these are actual links to real net art resources. So that's the main page. On the About page, you can see a more detailed description of what's going to happen on the glitch art exhibit. This is a description of the origin of the logo. It's actually based on a real story of how the name of net art originated. And it's actually a computer glitch which originated the name of net art. So glitch, I thought, is a very proper name for the event. These are links to actual previous events of net art, and these are images of actual exhibitions. I don't remember which exhibitions they were, but you can actually go to the acknowledgement section of my README file, and you can find where I got these images from, in case you want to look that up. Finally, for the ticket purchase page, I kept it really simple. I just didn't want to give too much detail to this design because I didn't want the customers to get distracted. So when you want to purchase something, you just want to click, point and click, and get what you want. So I kept it pretty much in line with the original design. And that's it. That's my presentation. I hope you enjoyed it, and goodbye.